Is it all in there?
4 of them. I'll fan them out.
But that's just the non-fiction stuff.
That's the first one.
The first one I ever wrote.
This one is the beginning of my Diamond Peak series.
So that's Inceptio, which is Latin for the beginning.
That's in Korean.
This is my first book, The Sexual Adventures of Time and Space. Don't let the title mislead you. It's not erotica or anything. It's fiction.
Second in the series is Rough Justice.
It's a post-apocalyptic thriller about a flu pandemic that has already wiped out most of the world. And 2 people are on the run.
That's the fourth in the series, Shadow Selves.
Latest novel, The Sun's Companion.
Kind of a romance, kind of a sad romance.
It's the final one so far in the series.
It is a story of a girl who's going to rescue her mother from a bunch of demons, and they live in a hidden realm.
Dragons, princesses, but ordinary people as well.
Some Romans surviving the Roman Empire, and they're still going in the 21st century.
Baseball romantic comedy.
But the difference is they're ruled by women.
Crime, spy, silly stuff.
And that's the second one that just came out a couple weeks ago, and it's called Sinners, Survivors, and Saints.
It's about a man who finds out he's dying of cancer and decides to have his body cryonically frozen in the hopes that he'll be brought back in the future.
And then it all starts going terribly, terribly wrong.
Short stories.
The biography, which I've just published myself.
One more for kids, The Loch Ewe Mystery.
Actually, it's about how to deal with a bully, and it's also a romance, and it's really rather sweet and gorgeous. It's for young adults.
Rather hot super spy comes from Roma Nova, trying to protect her, and
Sliding Past Vertical, which is a dark romance.
Is set in 1840 in Aberdeen.
Don't Tell Anyone, which is a family drama.
Third one I'm working on right now, and I don't have a title for it yet.
A Passionate Sisterhood.
so perfiditas means betrayal.
It's about a homeless man who helps a woman and her 2 small children get off the streets of Atlanta.
I'm nearly there, don't worry. This one, won't go much longer.
And yeah, it took me a little while. After I wrote it, I had to learn how to write.
It's been rewritten many times.
And in that hidden realm, there are Megans who wear purple velvet cloaks and are magical.
I'm not going to tell you the rest because you have to find out.
That's it, finished, the end, okay?